कुछ पूछूं तो एनी वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स कैन रिप्लाई क्विक. Okay. Earlier, I have told already that this is a platform to share the knowledge. Something you will learn, something I will learn. Okay. So there are some pictures have been taken at the incident crime scene inspection, while crime scene inspection. This is one empty cartridge, and this is bullet, fired bullet. Okay. Are you able to see? Sakshi. Next, first of all, you go through the 4 to 5 pictures, practical pictures. After that, I start from the beginning with the definitions and some important valuable information about ballistics. Then the interaction session will start, in which you can ask the questions related to crime scene and the ballistic, internal ballistic, and the terminal ballistics, etc. Next, it is not coming. Okay. Next आ चुके हैं. ये दो टाइप के बुलेट हैं, दोनों के फोटोग्राफ्स हैं. This is not photographed. This has not been photographed with the help of scaling, so this is not called forensic photography. Okay. ये टिप से थोड़ा टिल्ट हो चुका है. जो बुलेट का टिप पार्ट है ना, अग्रभाग जिसको बोलते हैं, वो थोड़ा सा टिल्ट हो चुका है. ओके. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज दिस? Actually, I request to